Mag-unbox tayo ngayon ng package from Kika Goods. So, bumili ako sa kanila ng parcel ng mga ano ba yun? Mga plush. Ang tawag dun, te? Plushies. So, yan. Actually guys, nakabili na ako sa kanila before ng item. Sa Kika Goods. Hong Kong base yata to sila eh. Nakabili ako sa kanila. Una kong binili dalawa. Trinay ko lang kung maganda ba yung product. Which is so cute. Look at this. The Nomi Loveliness. Dalawa lang kasi trinay ko lang kung maganda. Cute di ba, May? Cute kayo. Dalawa lang sila. Binili ko to last year, Black Friday. Kasi meron silang promo. Di ba ang cute? Tapos, nabudol ako sa mall dito. Kasi nakakita ako ng isa pa. Ang mahal. $50. 50, gano yun? 50 something? Plus tax. Which is ito. The purple. Binuksan ko doon kasi sabi ko, meron akong dalawa. Sabi nung, may-ari ba yun? Doon, nagtitinda. Pag nakakuha ko daw yung meron na ako, papalitan nila yung display nila na kulay brown. Purple yung nakuha ko. Kaya hindi ko na pinalitan. Di ba? Ang cute mo. Look at that. Si Nomi. So, kulang na lang ako ng 3. Try ko bumili sa Black Friday ulit doon. Look at that. So cute. The Nomi. Ito sila. Ang cute. Di ba? Mas maganda pa kay Labubu. You know. They're so cute. Yan. 3. Diba? Cute. Cute kayo. Ngayon, i-unbox natin itong ano ba itong collection na ito? Nakalimutan ko. Actually, yung binili ko, may option kasi lang, pwede kang bumili no box. Mas mura siya kaysa dun sa merong box, yung talagang mag-unbox ka. Pero, hindi na. Kinuha ko lang yung no box. Kasi ito, free shipping. So, meron akong kasi meron akong account sa kanila. So, ito, no box. I-try ko lang. Sana nasa plastic pa. Ito yung baby plus collection nila. Si Nomi pa rin, Nomi. Pero yung baby collection. Magkano lang yung nabayaran ko nito? 111? Samantalang ito dito, 50. Ito lang, isa.
How many is in there?
It's 8.
With no box? Did you have to pay for the box?
Siyempre, tama yung sa presyo. Kasi pag walang box, mas mura siya.
If there's no box, it's because the
Well, I'm hoping na meron pa, nasa
owners already seen
nasa
it.
pack
and
pa siya, no? I think it's
If it's opened already,
I hope it's not open. I hope it's... yeah. It's not... Hindi siya open. Nandun pa rin siya sa package.
Oh,
See? Naka-package pa rin siya. Oh, may surprise pa rin, di ba?
why
May...
do you have to pay extra for the box?
I know. So, may thrill. So, mas makakatipid kayo, guys, kung ganito yung bilhin nyo. Nomi Baby. Ay, di ba? Wala nang. Kabuangan ako. Ay, alam ko na. Ito siya. Alam ko na kung sino. It's this one. Mamaya, para surprise. May kasama siyang linear. Linear ba tawag dito? Ano tawag dito, te? Ito, may kasama siyang ganito. Pero mas maliit siya kasi ito medyo malaki. So, it's a baby.
Gucci Beauty Salon.
Yan.
Is it on Instagram?
It's so cute. Look at that. Oh, tapos gumagalaw din yung mata. Oh my God, look at that. So cute.
Mom, let me have one, okay?
Kahit si Amira. Si Amira kasi tulog. Sabi niya, gusto niyang sumali sa unboxing ko. Pero mabigat siya. Mabigat siya.
Which one is it? How do you spell the Gucci? Gucci.
Maganda pala siya. Inisip ko pa naman
Do you
Ah,
follow
diba?
them? Yeah.
Look at that, she's so cute. She's so cute. Cute kayo. Di ba? O, di ba? Gano'n siya kalaki. Pero si Nomi pa rin, baby.
Gucci lash, bro.
Yan. Ito, Ito yung malaki.
Bro, they have a,
So, that's the
they have a
one.
kind that looks like Astro Blue lash.
Ito, yung pangalawa. Actually, 8. 8 to sila. Ito, parang aso. Happy. Meron siyang, ano dito, embroidered. Cute. It's 2.
Mommy, I wanna
6
keep
more.
one.
Yeah.
I wanna keep one. Mommy, I wanna keep one.
That's mommy's
I
collection.
wanna keep this one.
And the other one, pangatlo.
Oh, can I open? Can I open?
Oh, open. Come on, open.
Huh?
For the surprise.
Huh?
Oh, we got the surprise, love.
Yeah, I want to open one.
Okay, this is good.
Oh,
Amir, can you get me one?
look at that. So cute.
Amir, you get me one.
Oh,
Mommy,
sino ba to?
Good, good.
Who's this?
this is more.
This is more.
Grape baby. It's a grape
go.
baby. Yan. Oh, parang siyang
No.
olive
They knew what
green.
was inside the
No.
box, mommy.
That's
Ano
mommy's
kasi ganito?
best collection. Mommy,
So
I wanna
they open the
this.
box, and so you don't get a mystery because they
But
know
we'll
what's
see,
inside.
hopefully. Suki naman ako.
Mommy,
Yan.
I will open the next
Are you?
one.
Is it like?
There's more.
Do you message them? Now?
Really?
Mommy, I wanna open this one.
It's already outside. What? Is it showing?
No, one at a time. Mommy first. There's the fourth one. Oh, look at this. What's his name?
Mommy, I wanna keep it this
Yeah,
one.
it's a dog. Meron siyang, hat.
Amir, open yours.
Meron siyang hat. Yan. It's
I'm
so
gonna keep
cute.
this
Naro-roll
one
pa rin yung mga
for
mata
you.
niya, guys. Meron siyang
Mommy, look what I just got.
paw marks. Kita mo yan? Meron siyang parang
Mommy, look
baby
what I
paw.
just got.
Yeah.
I don't want this one.
Yeah.
Mommy, can you pick me another one?
Wait lang, love. Wait.
Wait.
I said-
Let me get one.
Yan. This is the one.
I'm gonna keep this one. Oh. Can I see?
It's the
Yours.
Here, you can change eyes.
Puddy
You can change
baby.
eyes. Yeah.
Yan. Juno got the, what is that, love? Let me see the package.
Yeah, I got this one. Mommy,
Yan.
this is my package. Wait.
So cute.
Mommy, where's my package?
Nagro-roll pa rin
Mommy,
yung eyes.
can you pick? Can you
Yeah.
pass me the back? Thing?
Later ba? Later.
I'm gonna pick.
That one. So Juno got this one.
Mom, I was gonna keep
Still has a
that
hat.
one.
Yan yung kulay niya.
Well,
Ang pangalan niya ay Cherry Baby. Cherry. Can you grab that one lang? Cherry Baby.
Is
Yeah.
that cherry baby
Ang so
too?
cute. Nagro-roll pa rin yung eyes.
Ate,
Guys,
look,
how many
mommy
items
got. They
inside?
got the baby toys. Ate, look, mommy got. They got everything this is old. Oh, don't take that one. Okay, that's mine.
Saka mabigat siya, guys. Mabigat. Meron siya, hindi siya mabigat na mamigat. Para meron siyang weight. Nilagyan nila ng ano. Wait.
Mommy, look at mine.
Kasi medyo
Ate.
mabigat siya.
Ate, look at mine, Ate.
So cute. Diba?
Mommy, can I keep this one? Can I keep this
And
one?
the six, anim na ano. Six
Mommy, I'm
package.
birthday. I got
Oh, aso pa rin.
We're gonna open the other one.
Diba?
I did cake. I hope I got. So I gotta take this girl toy.
His name is Spotty Baby. Spotty Baby kasi meron siyang mga spot din dito. Diba? Dito.
Mommy, can you open mine, please?
Yan.
Mommy, did you see me sweep?
No.
I was.
Daddy said you'll be sleeping and then you're awake.
Mommy, I'm just gonna keep this one.
And then,
Mommy, I'm just
Second to
gonna.
the last?
Mommy, that was mine.
it was mine. No?
I'm just gonna open it. Where?
Then we'll open the last one. Ano, this pang-anim.
Then
Oh, yeah. You do one yours first. What's the color? Oh!
So cute. Mommy, give me my card. Give me my card. That's-
Yeah, I'm gonna show them. Give it to me. I'm gonna show them. What's his name? What's her name? Berry Baby.
They're both very babies.
Yeah. Meron siyang bib. Ayan.
Mommy, can I have
Meron
it back?
siyang
Can I have it
star. Star mark sa cheek niya.
Mommy, can I have
Yeah.
mine back?
Diba?
Can I have my other one back?
Wait
Mommy,
lang, love.
Mommy, is
Here.
this the mommy?
Yeah.
Mommy, wanna keep
Mami daw, sabi ni Amira.
Ay, give me, aka lang. Where's the ano?
This one.
Thank you.
And I have the last one.
Let's see what it is.
Let's see. Oh! It's
Mommy.
the brown. The
Mommy.
mocha baby.
Mommy, can I have
Mocha
the
baby.
Mommy, can I have the mocha baby?
Wait lang.
Give me the mocha baby.
There's also, meron siyang bib. And a star on the cheek. Diba? So cute.
Mommy, just give me.
Malit lang siya. Oh, ganyan palm lang. Ganyan lang. And then, yung ano niya, hook niya, it is purple. Colorful yung mga ano nila, hook.
Mommy.
Yan.
Mommy, give me that.
Diba? Asa
Give
na
me
yun?
that.
I'm gonna put this one. So, yun na yun lahat.
Mommy, I was gonna shoot it.
I'm gonna show it to you. Wait lang. Yan na siya guys. Oh, yan sila. Yung mga baby. Baby Nomi. Plushie. Yan. 8. Wala akong nakuhang ano, hidden. 2 yun. Mga hidden ano, 2. Peach baby at saka yung ano yung isa. Yan. Ah, diba? So cute. Tapos, ito naman yung mga Nomi Loveliness. Yan, siya. 3 lang muna. Bibilin ko yung 3 pag ano, Black Friday. Yan sila lahat. Diba? Ang cute. Yan yung unboxing review natin. Diba? Babies.
Mommy, give me that pink one. Give me that just wet.
Later. Yan.
You're gonna vlog first.
Okay. Yan.
Daddy.
They're pretty. Better than Labubu for me.
This is the this is the kid and the mommy.
Yeah, bye-bye. Bye.
Bye.